This is Bill. Bill has big dreams to become an entrepreneur. He aspires to be the next Bill Gates, to make lots of money from what he likes to do, to be his own boss, and have an exciting career that interests him. He has the ideas, but doesn't know if he has what it takes to become the next big thing. But the truth is he does. Young people just like Bill are defining modern entrepreneurship. Ordinary people with a passion and drive to turn their ideas into products or services that people need. With the right tools, people like Jamal Edwards, Poppy Dinsey, and Joshua Magidson have transformed their ambition and drive into successful businesses. Bill is at a crossroads. He knows where he wants to go, but is not sure how to get there. So, he gets in touch with the Entrepreneurship champion at NPTC Group of Colleges. With the help of NPTC Group of Colleges, Bill is given the tools he needs to nurture the ideas he feels passionate about. Following advice and guidance from the Entrepreneurship champion, Bill pushes forward with his business venture. And although things are tough at the beginning, he remains focused on his goal. As his business grows, he learns to overcome obstacles and deal with setbacks. It's not all plain sailing, but with hard work and determination, he remains steadfast. Bill is now a successful entrepreneur, continuing to grow his business. There are no limits to what he can do or what he can achieve. He loves making lots of money from what he enjoys, being his own boss, and have an exciting and interesting career. Do you have an idea that you could grow to become the next big thing? Do you want to be like Bill? Drop in to see your enterprise champion at NPTC Group. Email enterprise@nptcgroup.ac.uk or give us a call on 01639 648 657.